In this video, we're going to look at another example of graphing a rational function. So in this case, we got the function f of x equals x squared minus 4 over 2x plus 5. We're going to get the graph of this by getting intercepts and looking at vertical, horizontal, and oblique asymptotes. For x-intercepts, we'll set the function equal to 0. The function is 0 when the numerator is 0. The numerator factors as x plus 2 times x minus 2, and I forgot the equal 0 on the end here, which is why it's out of line. But that's equal to 0 when x is plus or minus 2, so the x-intercepts are negative 2, 0, and 2, 0. To find the y-intercept, we put 0 in for x, get negative 4/5 out, so the y-intercept is 0, negative 4/5. Vertical asymptote, the denominator is equal to 0 when x is equal to negative 5/2, and since negative 5/2 doesn't make the numerator 0, we conclude that the x equal to negative 5/2 is our vertical asymptote. For horizontal asymptote, the degree of the top was 2, the degree of the bottom was 1, so there is not a horizontal asymptote. However, the degree of the numerator is 1 greater than the degree of the denominator, so there is an oblique asymptote. And we can find that oblique asymptote through polynomial long division. Here is the work for that polynomial long division. The quotient is 1/2 x minus 5/4, so the line y equals 1/2 x minus 5/4 is our oblique asymptote. And now here is a graph of what this looks like. We've got this section into pieces. Now, according to these asymptotes, the graph would either have to go this way, get closer on their horizontal asymptotes like this, or like what we have graphed on the screen. If it went this way, it would have to cross the x-axis, which means we would have found an x-intercept. We didn't, so it can't be on this side, so it has to be on this side. And then over here, we've got these two dots to help us. We have to get close to this line, and close to this line, and go through those points. So we have to come this way to get that right-hand half of the graph. Otherwise, it would go this way, and we wouldn't hit the other, we wouldn't hit the y-intercept or the x-intercept that we need here. So this gives you an idea of how you can use the different pieces of information to be able to sketch the graph.